American All-Star Series Mini Wedge feature number 1 getting ready to roll. Brady Lilly gonna bring him down. Oh, Lilly not able to go. He almost got to the back of the four-wheeler there. Caution's out. That one's gonna be coming back. Making sure they stay together here. Green flag gonna fly here for the mini wedges. 10 laps. For the American All-Star Series. Brady Lilly in the 21. Still with the lead by about 4 cars lengths. We're working on 1 and 2. I know 80 years with the lead there. Into that 7. So 80 years in the 7 with the lead over 21 of Lilly. The 7 Lilly in the 21. Addie Evans in the 7. With the race lead. Addie in front of Brady Lilly in the 21, but here comes the 30 of Mills. Mills coming into the picture, closing in on Lilly now. And we're coming to 4 laps in the books. White flag again in the air. Checkered flag to make it back down to those 6 laps on our mini roads competitors. And the 7 gonna grab the win over Lilly. I want to thank the fine folks at Long Run Transportation, our great sponsor here tonight for our mini wedges, adding a whole lot of money to the purse for our mini wedge competitors.